welcome to my first video. In this video, we are going to be taking on a challenge from a good friend of mine called Stage3XP. You can find him in the link in the description to his Twitch channel. Really awesome guy. Basically, he asked me to design a website that has information about him and his Twitch, what he does. So, we are going to be taking on that challenge, and let's just get started. Hit the time lapse. Editor, this is where you would time lapse it. So you might be wondering what this is. Basically, I use, like a lot of other HTML coders, I use a thing called Bootstrap, or Bootstrap, Bootstrap, do you know what I mean? In Bootstrap they have a lot of really good components that HTML users use a lot, and it's just really helpful to have it, and this is how we actually get access to those assets. I'll leave a link in the description to their page if you are an HTML coder and you want to learn about them. I'll leave a link to their page in the description. So here, underneath the title, so the title is basically what we have up here in the tab. So, what should the title be? I think homepage, because this will be the homepage of the site. Then the body is what's actually inside the content. So, I have this up on my other monitor, but on Bootstrap, if you go to components, you have a ton of really good components under here. So let's first use a navbar. A navbar is really useful because up at the top here, it'll have like the logo and then like all the pages that are actually in the site. So I will just get that. Now you might just be thinking, oh, he just copy pastes code a lot. Well, if you think about it, that's what a lot of coders do. That's how a lot of coders make their work. So right here we can get rid of this, as we don't need the drop down. Don't need that drop down. And now you might think, nothing changed, but actually a lot changed because there used to be a drop down here. There we go. So right here we can change what type of navbar it is. So let's just change this to dark and BG dark. Actually, make that lowercase. There we go. This is the actual text of that first button. And then this will be our second page. So, let's just do about for an example. Then right here, this is the text for this right here, the nav bar. So we will actually change this to Stage3XP. And since this href is a pound symbol, href stands for correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I'm pretty sure href stands for hyperlink referral. And having this pound symbol means don't go anywhere. So if we click this, it doesn't do anything. But later we will have something else in this href because we need to make new pages. So, what's next? I say we start to design the middle. I say we start to design the actual content of the page. So, how do we do that? Let's make... What should we make first? Let's see. Hey, cut this out. Hey, editor, cut this out. I'm just trying to think of, like, designs that we can do. Designs that I can have, and that stuff. I'm just trying to think, what should we have? Huh. Alright, and cut. Now, if you're ever making a website, if you learn HTML, which my target demographic is people that know HTML, but if you're ever making a website and you are like, and your client is asking for like a certain design, have that design ready so when you actually start to make the website, you know what you need to make and you know what you need to do. Since this was a challenge from a friend, he never asked me for a design. So I have to try and think of a design all by myself, and I don't know if you know this, but I'm not the most creative person in the entire world. So thinking of a design like this is going to be pretty difficult for me. So I'll just cut to when I think of something. So I thought on an idea. What we can have is we can have a picture right about here. And then underneath that, we can have some information about him and what he does. And then up here, we can have like the about page. We can have like more information and actually, I'll change this to links. And then this main page will be... I'll change this to links, and then this main page will be basically the about page. And this about page is going to have like information about him and what he does and stuff. And then up here, the links is going to have all his links to like his social media and his Twitch channel and stuff like that. So, editor, well, let's time lapse this. everybody, and welcome back. After that time lapse, we have the entire site done. I will be going through everything to show you what everything is and explaining what everything does. And just so people that don't understand HTML understand basically what's happening in the code. So right up here, doc type HTML, this basically tells the entire site that it's an HTML site. Don't worry about this. This is the tab thing up there. And then this is the start of the navigation bar at the top here. So right here, this tells the script that it's a navigation bar. This right here makes this part right here that goes to the home page. This right here makes that a button. That's pretty much exactly the same. So this is these three lines actually tell the script that, hey, this next element is a button that goes to a page. So, and then this basically tells the script, hey, this is where it goes, because it doesn't go anywhere because it's already on the home page. This is the text, and this is the text, and this tells it that this is the current page. This is basically the exact same thing, but this is actually the links page that goes to links.html. This is actually an image. This is actually this image right here. This stands for source, and then that's the source of the image. I have no idea what this does. UL stands for unordered list. So that is these bullet points. LI is list item. So gamer, father, and cool guys. So these are each item. Yep. This is just text. And then this is another button that goes to links.html. So it's fairly basic. And then up here, we actually have the links page. This is the title. Actually, go to the links page first. So this is the title. Up here, links. This, once again, is just Bootstrap. This creates a button, and that goes to, actually no, this is the nav bar. Yeah, these are the buttons. This is just a nav bar. I explained what this does last time. And these are the buttons. Button secondary, and that is the color in Bootstrap. So secondary is gray. Info is like the Twitter-like color. Danger is red, and then success is green. The href is the link that it goes to. Roll button, and then this is the actual links, or this is the actual text inside of it. And then these are line breaks that basically make these spaces in between them. And then this is the back button. It goes to index.html, which is the home page button, back, line breaks. So that is basically the entire site. It's pretty simple, and this is actually going to be a really short video, but I wanted to get it out there because I haven't uploaded yet, and yeah, so that's the page. I hope you like it. I hope you like the video. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!